Good morning, everybody. It is Friday morning. I am tired. I am sure you are as well. Listen, I'm going to show you guys your homework answers real quick, and then I got a little surprise for you. So stay on this video. Grab your books. Open up to the work you worked on yesterday. Grab yourself a highlighter, pen, pencil, marker, crayon, something, and let's see how many of these you had correct. All right, pause the video if you need to gather those materials. I'm starting now. All right, here is your F, G, H, I, J, K coordinates. You'll notice that each of these are surrounded by parentheses. Make sure you have those in. Remember, you're always going to start at the origin, the 0, 0, and your first number, in this case, -3, will be your X. So it'd be -3, 2, and that's where F is. You always start at that origin. You always crawl before you climb. Your first number is your crawl. All right. So for 7, 8, and 9, you're going to notice that 0, 0, 2, -4, and -2, -4 create a triangle. Number 8, triangle. Number 9, rectangle. Make sure all of your points are accurate. That creates a rectangle. How you doing so far? 10 for 10? I hope so. Now, 10, 11, and 12, a little harder. I did get a few messages from many of you yesterday about 10, 11, and 12. Let's go. Number 10. It says a point is located in quadrant 4. What do you know about the signs of the coordinates for this point? So let's review. Quadrant 1 is up here. Quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So that J is in quadrant 4. Okay, let's take a look at J. J is at 3, -3. I put that example right here for you. Any point in quadrant 4 will have a positive X value and a negative Y value. So if I did maybe like 4, -2, that would be in quadrant 4. And 4 being positive, -2 being negative. You see the pattern here. So anything in quadrant 4 will always have a positive X, negative Y. All right, let's head down to 11. 11, there are many things you could write. So first and foremost, I had to draw 3 lines that were parallel to the x-axis. Remember, parallel means that they'll never, ever intersect. So the x-axis is horizontal, so I drew 3 horizontal lines. You could have put them anywhere as long as they're running east to west, west to east, sideways. Okay. Now, it says here, what generalization can you make about the ordered pairs for lines parallel to the x-axis? Well, you could say a bunch of different things. First of all, basically, you could say they'll never intersect. But like more detailed, you could make a point on every single line, and you could say that every single point had the same x coordinate. So on this one, I did 1, 0. On this one, I did 1, 1. On this one, I did 1, 3. On the one down below, I did 1, -4. So I could make a generalization that every point I made on every line had the same x coordinate. I could do other points. I could do points here, and I could kind of stagger them. But essentially, they'll never intersect. They're on parallel lines. So I guess you could say answers will vary for that one. And last but not least, number 12. I was lucky. I knew it couldn't be C because it had 4 points, and I know a triangle only has 3. And I tried A, and wouldn't you know, that made our right triangle. That triangle that has that L, and I put a little box in that corner so you know it was right. All right, so hopefully you guys had a good Thursday night. I hope you guys have a great Friday and a great weekend. I have a little surprise for you. I'm not going to assign any work today. Use today as a catch-up day or a day to relax. We do have a special bingo game set up by your guidance team. I hear there's a lot of good prizes, so you want to be there. So go on to our stream on Google Classroom, print up any necessary bingo cards you need to, and I hope to see you guys there. Reach out to me if you still need any help with the last 3 days of homework, but I will talk to you guys on Monday. Good luck at your bingo game today. Have a great weekend.